I got a hard, this is the hard line. I'm taking you on the hard line, so.
Before we left the parking lot, he said the one thing I'm worried about is the downhills. I'm like, there aren't many downhills out here.
Oh.
That was hard.
Is he okay with uphills?
So what? That was a little good. I don't know. This is an exploratory lap. We'll run some clean.
If he's fine with uphills, I can skip a lot of the weird downhill stuff.
Sure. I mean, I'm fine. We can go up. We turn around and go up. And, oh, he's coming down. What do we?
He's not going fast enough to hold the bike up.
Oh.
That's self-reinforcing.
You got to move. You got to roll.
He's just still trying to get to know her.
Yep. Oh, here he is. He got it.
Good. Right. All right. Is that it?
How many we got now? 8. We got 8. All right.
All right.
Tell him he can just meet us right here if he wants.
Yeah, I don't know. He's wrestling with the bike.
Yeah, he can meet us here. Let's throw a little mob crossing in the middle. You don't want to do it? Oh, you guys are just lubing? Yeah, but then we're going to go this way. Okay, I got you.
This is optional.
Oh, I got you. All right. You good?
Yeah.
All right, let's roll. Let's do... Oh, yeah. Let's do... Everybody good? Everybody coming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Uh-oh.
One more at the bottom of the hill.
Oh. Oh, there he is. All right, Jim. They're gonna need to. All right, we got everybody. Good enough. Everybody's good, okay. Oh, all right, butters. Come off there, butters. Kind of weird with this many people. Oh, we got a challenge on that one now. Sweet. This way, Mike. Mike. One, two, three, four, five, six. We're missing two. Woo! Oh, hello.
Hey, there's a log crossing for you.
Yeah.
It's tall.
I know. Woo-hoo! There they are. Y'all ready? All right, y'all good?
Hey, take us on some flowy stuff.
Okay, we're doing the hard line first.
All right. Well,
Some of it's
pretty hard for everybody.
We're not to the hard stuff yet.
Y'all ride the hard line, I'll get through it. If I gotta walk the bike up, I'll get through it.
All right,
Fine with whatever.
I'll take you through some flowy stuff.
We just need a little air movement. Take us down to the that little thing there. Take a right. They're back there somewhere. What do you think? What'd they say? Oh, they're good. They're fine. Yeah. You can't get lost on this trail. There's not too much down out here. there. I figured that was Mick. All right. It's back there, so we're good. Ah! Right on the nose! Right on the nose! Alright, these are... I figured Mike could be with us too.